This Acer Chromebook was working for me quite a while, but one day I noticed it doesn't charge anymore when I put the charger plug into the USB-C connector. Okay, this is a video regarding this nice Acer Chromebook. The problem is I tried to charge it using my phone charger and this hole, which is USB-C connector. And after a while, the charging stopped and it won't charge anymore. I knew I didn't break anything, so I tried to contact support, and support refused to do anything at all about this. So the general idea is if you use an improper charger from the view of the Chromebook, the charger that does not provide enough power to charge the battery properly, the Chromebook will just shut down the port without telling anything, but the port just stops working. It does not provide any video signal for the television, and it doesn't allow charging through that port anymore. We need a couple of tools to proceed. One is the screwdriver. I think the smallest cross screwdriver works just fine. And another one is the credit card or any piece of plastic that you can slide into the thin opening between the body of the Chromebook and the cover to split them together in order to open it properly later. What I'm going to do is I wanted to disconnect the battery, thus fully resetting the main board settings and trying to make it to forget about the battery issues it used to have. Well, to disassemble it, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws that are keeping this lid in place. So in order to get access inside, we have to remove all those screws one by one. So I'm starting from this one. And please be careful. Those screws might be a little bit different length for whatever reasons. So please try to put them in order. So once you finish it, you can put them in the same places where they used to belong. Okay, basically what we have to do is to use the credit card, put it between the plastic body and use it to open it slightly. Anyway, just use the fingers. Once we have this done, we can lift the back side and have a nice view. Here we have the battery. Those are USB connectors that we have on one side, and those are USB connectors that we have on the other side. And here's the battery that gives us the pain and despair. Those wires come from the battery to the main board, and this is actually what we have to deal with. What we have to do is we disconnect the battery from the board, and after a while we just plug it back, and we will see what happens after that. So at first we have to carefully pick the sticky tape and have it gone. Then there is another black sticky tape here, and here is the white connector. Basically, by pulling by this connector, we disconnect the battery and that basically solves the problem. Once we disconnect it, we can wait for maybe 10 minutes and then we plug it back in the same connector, and our computer will forget everything about the recharge issues that it could possibly have before. And once we plug it in back again, we put the black tape over it to avoid it to be yanked out by sudden move. And we put the sticky tape over it. It lost some color here. It used to be white, transparent, but now it's kind of whitish. Probably it's kind of tamper proof. And now we can start putting things back together. Try not to miss the things. This is the protective cover for the battery, and this is the cover for the battery, and this is the correct way to put the lead back on its place, and we just slowly push to get all the latches lock back in, and we just go all the way around, all the way around, and make sure everything is latched properly. And now we can put the screws back. So we are starting from this guy, this guy, guy, this guy, and now we have a perfectly working Chromebook. I'm not gonna show you the screen, but trust me, it works and charges quite fine.